Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Mapucho Pomrep, the homosexual and the lesbian. Welcome to the first episode of Twara. Alright, basically what happens on the show is we dissect a couple of stories, we go through a couple of stories that the celebrities were involved in, probably the politicians, celebrities, and everybody that actually well known, everyone that is in the limelight, we talk about you, but we don't tell the serious stuff. If you need to hear this, Twara, we're going to talk about you on this show. I go by the name of Reaching the Nash. I'm the host for this show. The first story that I really feel like we need to get out of the way, I need to voice my opinion about this, is that South African television is giving everybody who's well known a reality show. I need one too. First of all, let's go through all these reality shows. First of all, Kenny Sushi Kuneneka, the reality show. This is the brother who leaks sushi of ladies. He just leak with the tongue. The leak business is happening. Kenny, please call me when you do all these parties. Invite me to that. Let me chill with you and lick all these ladies. If you're not gonna call me, I got 2 words for you. Twara. Alright. The twins from YFM, the beautiful, sexy twins, Nintendo and Shano Masina. These are beautiful ladies. I was watching the reality show the other day, and they were there wearing the bras and the bikinis and the panties and everything, looking all sexy and everything. I was like, I really need to get piece of that. This is beautiful. I was just stuck there, focused on the TV. I was like, this is it. I really need to get this. But hey, ladies, I know you guys work at YFM. Highlight your board. Twara. Alright, Zola Mudwembe. This is the brother who gave you a hit song back in the days called Hega Satan Kosobeni Mudwembe. The brother got a reality show, Rolling with Zola. Beautiful show. I was watching it. I actually watched a couple of times and I'm like, yeah, this is beautiful, this is beautiful. But there's one thing that I picked up though. He called one of his dogs Lance. Now you must understand, Zola used to be under Ghetto Rap. The boss of Ghetto Rap, his name is Lance. And Zola says, my dog is Lance. Can you imagine Zola going, Lance, fetch? I wonder, how does the real Lance feel about it? Twara, Zola, Twara. Really, Joe, Twara. Alright, the great children of Nelson President Madiba, they're about to have a reality show too. I don't know the ladies. I don't think they grew up in South Africa, but I got their pictures. This is how they actually look. Look at them, alright? They're about to have a reality show too. I wish you luck, guys. I don't know you. I cannot say much about you. I don't know you. So if you feel offended about this, Twara, we're just having fun. We're really having fun. So I have to say it for you. Twara. Alright. The latest potentially the recent Josie got a reality show too. Josie Ishmael, unless they're doing it big, you know, these guys are crazy when it comes to music. They're doing their thing. I really salute them. But they have reality show, and I was watching it. I was watching your reality show. There was a part where Ishmael was changing the clap, and then the lady just showed up. He was like, bam! He gave Ishmael a hot clap. Ishmael was like, oh, and Ishmael got a nerve to go in front of a camera and say, I don't know that girl. Ishmael, hey, Twara. Chances are, you know that girl. You scale him. I know you know that girl. Twara. Alright, but I know you are creative, Ishmael. I know. I still remember your song, Robali Teka. Robali Teka. I really think you should remix that and go Robali Rama. Robali Rama. I'm just kidding with you, Ishmael. Twara, that's how it is. I think I'm done with the reality shows. I am done. Let's move to the second story. Mr. Fikile Mbalula was all over the newspaper. We read that. We know about it. He was probably, maybe, I think, they say, apparently, allegedly, he was involved with the lady by the name of Mpimite Mulamu. For those who don't know what does Mulamu mean, it means stick. Twara. This lady, I hope she doesn't feel offended about that. But that's what it means. Her name, Mulamu, stick. The lady now demands money from Mr. Fix Mbalula. Mr. Fix was like, okay, I did have a relationship with this lady, but hey, it's over now. I'm married, I'm focused, I need to do my job. And then the lady's busy demanding money from Fix Mbalula. And I heard the lady got 2 kids. I think he should get a job. Twara, forget about Mr. Fikile Mbalula. He's trying to make sure that he focuses on the sport because soccer is not doing well in South Africa in this space at the moment. And on that note, all the soccer stars, pick up your damn socks, nigga. Pick up your damn socks. Twara, play like you used to play back in the days when Dr. Kumar was still on the scene, when East Coast was still on the scene, when everybody was still on the scene. Don't ever play like you get paid 2 cents. Twara, alright. The next story I really think we should talk about Uyanda Mbuli and her cyber stalker. Now there's a guy by the name of Matthew. The brother is from Nigeria. Now you must think this brother is from Nigeria. He's been calling Uyanda every day, sending messages. This is a cyber stalker. The brother is on some, me and Uyanda we were made to be together and everything. I'm like, nigga Twara, you haven't even met the lady. We made to be together, match made in heaven, that's what you say. Or maybe match made in Lagos. That's what you wanted to say. Twara. alright, we ended not even entertain this. She was like, no, this guy, whatever, but at the same time, like, we end up come over just because he's a Nigerian. So just give the brother a break. Oh, take him out. You are loaded. We know you are we know you are loaded. So yeah, that's the story. So I really think you should give Matthew a damn. What's wrong with this table? So really, so alright, the next story that is big fascinating, that I actually found funny, I was like, I really need to talk about this, is Jub Jub and Ken Kumar. Okay, I'm not even going to talk about the serious case of Jub Jub has been going through and then the accident and everything. No. That's the serious stuff. We don't entertain serious stuff here. We talk about the funny stuff. Jub Jub had a fight with Kelly. Apparently, Jub Jub ulume Kelly. I'm here, I'm thinking like, isn't Kelly supposed to be the one aluming Jub Jub? Come on, Banana Kibonaba famous for Huluma. But now Jub Jub was like, no, I'm taking you to the female side, nigga. Jub Jub, come on, nigga. Jub Jub, maybe he wants us to say, no, Jub Jub Jaban. Just because you me one Jaban, I know you be. So that's some funny stuff. You shouldn't fight a lady and then a lady. No, that's what. Skaluma banana baluma bashima. Jub Jub. Kishokamuteta Muru Wajo. Upon a move wako messed up. Hello, boy. How's about it? You know the drill. So okay, the next story that really caught my attention, I was like, I don't know what's wrong with this lady, but I feel like Michael Jackson had too much impact on South African artists. Mshoza is going white. Now, this is a blonde lady for me. I really think her and Paris Hilton should actually be put on the same boat, to Mars or Venus or somewhere. So, Mshoza, is Mshoza Zulu? I think she's Zulu. Do you still remember Mshoza song? I really think she should do a remix of that song and go like my natum yama when you yankwatisa yo wait my natum shope when you yanjablisa Mshoza Twara, she sent you to Equator Hutole Musu. That's what you need. Lidiwe Mazibuko. This is a beautiful lady who's working for DA. Very, very beautiful lady. And apparently, she just got a dope position in Parliament. Lindiwe, I am singing. You are rich. Hana, it's your boy. If you don't want to, Twara, I really think you're good. I'm wearing FEC beef. You don't need to entertain them. Rendell in the Summer Awards. Rendell, what's going on? All musicians are crazy. All musicians are crazy. They are confusing us with the whole thing. Man is selling man category, man category, this category and that. I'm telling you, next time we're gonna have Cash Time Fame and Rebecca Malope on the same category. I don't know what you're gonna call that category. Probably gospel rap. I don't think so. So I really think Randall and his team should get their ish together. I know you talked about this on Metro FM and you did explain everything, but I just got 2 words for you, nigga. Twara, we don't need this confusion. This is just too much for us. We just want to have fun. And I'm telling you, ladies who put too much makeup and look like clown ready to hit the damn circus, Twara. And then people who actually fought on the first days, I just want to say, General Inji, Twara. And please, before I go, everyone who have a full panty, please bend that. Let's all come together as the nation. Let's all come together as beautiful South African. Start a huge fire, very, very, very big fire. Ban all the full panties. There are 10 of. Just ban the full panties. Ban the full panties. Just ban the full panties. Just ban all the full panties because you don't really need them. There are 10 off, ladies. And look, if you know your girlfriend got full panty, just steal that shit, ban it somewhere else. Alright? Thank you very much. This was the first episode of Twada. If you didn't like it, Twada. But I'm telling you, I'm coming again after 7 days. Twada. I go by the name of the Nation the Nation, and this is Twada. Before I go, get yourself a cap of Twada. 100 rand. Get yourself a t-shirt of Twada and look hot this summer. This is how it looks. Twada, it's your boy. Twada is the in thing. If you're not wearing Twada, I don't know what is it that you're wearing. But hey, Twada, this was good. See you in 7 days. Hala, it's your boy. Twada. I have TB. Terrible babalas. Twada. Go.